because last night my buddy Ruben told me, hey, let's wash the car for today, you know, to make it look clean, whatever. It was 45 degrees outside, and I'm from Puerto Rico.
So that's why he wanted to wait, so us had to do it instead of him.
Okay. Anyway, so I'm Puerto Rican, everything below 60 freezing. I get here, the car is dirty, and look, that's why I post on the other video that we're family, because look at that. Guys had spray, look, all the needed to get the car, look. And this is impressive. Look at that, look. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, guys. All right, let's continue with the video. To meet who is Will, and this is the founder of Cars and Coffee. Will,
how you doing? I'm Will Bird. I started New Market Cars and Coffee a few weeks back. We really appreciate all the attention that we've gotten, received, and support. Today we have a special guest. His name is Bruce Lee. Bruce, would you like to say anything?
Yeah, thank you, Will. It's great being out here. Thanks for having me out here, and it's terrific to meet the people of the New Market Cars and Coffee. My son, Andrew Lee, started Driven to Cure. It's driven2cure.org. We've been all over the country. We've been out to SEMA, and his goal was to promote the rare cancer that unfortunately he was diagnosed with back in 2015, and it's called HLRCC. There's only about 500 cases known right now that are being monitored by NIH. There's no known cure. He fought hard. He volunteered for 7 different trials. And unfortunately we lost him on Easter Sunday. We were proud prior to Easter that we could say that we've received donations from 33 countries around the world. I mean, that's a lot. And 5 days after he passed away, we received donations from over 160 countries around the world. So we're global. And we have a great following all across this country. We have people doing car shows and car events all over the country. If you want to do one, just contact us through our website, driven2cure.org. We've now raised about $600,000. None of it goes to the maintenance of the car. That's what Dad's for. And we've now, I think we're going to be able to do another $200,000 this year for research for rare kidney cancers like HLRCC.
Well, excellent. Thank you, Bruce, for coming out, and go visit www.driven2cure.org and show some support. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Will.
all right, guys, this is it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, this turned out completely different how I was expecting. It wasn't the regular Cars and Coffee. It was for something special. I think everybody has been touched because of the cancer. I know I am, and yeah, it's a hard moment when you lost somebody in the family, and yeah, fuck cancer. Check out the website. Please donate. It's for a good cause, and yeah, again, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys until the next one.